Hello everyone, I have another package from China, from Gearbest, and let's see what's inside. So it is a VR glass. This is my very first VR glass, so I really don't have experience with this kind of stuff. So pretty much I'm just gonna show you what's inside the box and how it looks like. So I suppose this is the glass. Okay, so I can put the phone here, I guess. There is some kind of a cover to the front of the glass. Okay, I will try to put it there later. There is some manual. And it's English, it's not Chinese, it's always a good thing. A little cleaning or cleansing, something. I have no idea what is that. Okay, so that's it in the box. So I guess that was everything that we have here. Yes, nothing more. So thank you for watching. God bless.